First topic is about resistance and inductance in series. In a series, resistance with circuit or stands for R and inductance for L. The total impedance is found by combining the resistance and inductive reactance or XL. As a complex number, this number complex represents the total opposition to current flow in the circuit, considering both resistance and reactance. Impedance stands for Z, the total opposition to alternating current flow in the current circuit. It's a complex number combining resistance and reactance. Resistance or R, the opposition to current flow caused by the resistor. Inductive reactance or XL, the opposition to current flow caused by the inductor, which is frequently dependent and calculated as XL or equals WL, where W is the angular frequency, 2 pi f, and L is the inductance.
To solve the resistance and inductance in series, we need to understand the impedance of the circuit. The impedance in a series RL circuit is given by the formula Z is equal to R plus JWL, where Z is the impedance, R is the resistance, W is the angular frequency, W is equal to 2 pi f, where F is the frequency, L is the inductance, J is the imaginary unit. Example calculation. Resistance is equal to 10 ohms, inductance is equal to 0.1 Henry, frequency is equal to 50 Hertz. First, calculate the angular frequency W, where W 2 pi F is equal to 2 pi times 50 is equal to 100 pi. Now, calculate the inductive reactance XL. XL is equal to WL is equal to 100 pi times 0.1 is equal to 10 pi. Thus, the impedance Z is equal to R plus JXL is equal to 10 plus J 10 pi. Magnitude and phase of impedance. To find the magnitude of the impedance, Z is equal to square root of R2 plus XL square root is equal to square root of 10 times square root plus 10 pi squared is equal to square root of 100 plus 100 pi squared. Z is equal to square root of 100 plus 989.86.96 is equal to 1086.96 is equal to 32.96. To find the phase angle, 0 is equal to tan over negative 1, XL over R is equal to tan negative 1 is equal to 10 pi 10 over 10 is equal to tan negative 1 pi is equal to 72.34. Answer. Impedance Z is equal to 10 plus J 10 pi ohms. Magnitude of impedance Z is equal to 32.96 ohms. Phase angle is 0 is equal to 72.34.
The second topic of Group 2 is series circuit in containing two resistors. The resistors are connected end to end, so the current flows through each resistor is the same. Total resistance in the circuit is the sum of the individual resistance. Formula for total resistance in a series circuit, R total is equals to R1 plus R2, where R total is the total resistance, R1 and R2 are the resistance of the two resistors. Key points about series circuits. Same current, the current that goes through each resistor is the same. Voltage division, the total voltage across the circuit is divided between the resistors based on their individual resistances. The voltage drop across each resistor can be calculated using Ohm's law. VI is equals to I, RI, and W is equals to R. Where is the current through the circuit? Total voltage, the voltage across the circuit is the sum of the voltage drops across each resistor. Total is equals to V1 plus V2.
Series circuit containing two resistors. Ito yung mga examples, sir, na gagamitin namin, sir. Like yung battery, 12 voltage, resistor R1, 4 ohms, and resistor R2, 6 ohms. Bale, meron din dito yung step by step na paano kunin yung total. And yung step 1, sir, series circuit, sir. Pinagsama lang yung mga resistance. Like R1 plus R2 equals to 4 ohms plus 6 ohms equals to 10 ohms. Bale, ito yung total ng ohms law na kinuha natin sa R1 and R2. Bale, gawin natin dito, sir, addition or add. Step 2 naman, sir, ohms law. Bale, kunin natin yung battery 12 voltage and total ng ohms law ay 10 ohms equals to 1.2 ampere. Bale, i-divide natin ito and para makuha yung total. Step din naman, sir, ay step 3 yung voltage, sir, yung kabuuan ng voltage resistor. Like R1 is 1.2 ampere times to 4 ohms law equals to 4.8 voltage. And R2 naman ay 1.2 ampere times 6 ohms equals to 7.2 voltage. Yung kabuuan ng voltage niya ay voltage 1 plus voltage 2 equals to 4.8 voltage plus 7.2 voltage. Dito gawin natin na addition lang din or i-add lang din natin para makuha yung kabuuan voltage dito sa computation natin ay total ay 12 voltage, sir. Bale, ito pa rin mahulog, sir, yung battery sa 12 voltage. And yun, thank you.
Good day, sir. I'm Gerald Dilibiran from BSET 2A. I'm reporting series circuit containing resistor and a coil. A series circuit that incorporates a resistor and a coil is a configuration where electrical components are connected sequentially, forming a single pathway for current flow. The resistor restricts current flow, while the coil, also known as an inductor, stores energy in a magnetic field when current passes through it. So, a series circuit with a resistor and a coil or inductor connects both components in one continuous loop. So the same current flows through each. The resistor limits the current while the coil stores energy as a magnetic field when current flows. The use, function, and computation will be discussed and explained by Renner Jose.
Good day, sir. I'm Renner Jose from BSET 2A. So, like for example, ito yung given problem. A series circuit with a resistor R equals 50 ohms and a coil with an inductance L equals 0.1 Henry. The circuits operate at a frequency F equals 60 Hz. Calculate the total impedance Z of the circuit. First step, calculate muna natin yung inductive reactance. XL equals 2 pi. Frequency inductance. Multiply natin to. 2 times 3.14 equals 6.28. 6.28 times 60 equals 376.8. 376.8 times 0.1 equals 37.7 ohms. Therefore, yung answer niya is 37.7 ohms. Step 2 naman, calculate din natin yung total impedance. Z square root of R squared plus X squared over L. 50 squared equals 2,500. Then copy natin yung plus. 37.7 squared equals 1,420.29. Then i-add natin yung 2,500 plus 1,420.29 equals Z square root of 3,920.29. Therefore, the total impedance Z of the series circuit is 62.6 ohms. That's all, sir. Thank you.
Compute for total voltage in series circuit containing the resistor of coil definition. To know voltage in series circuit, remember that a voltage or electric potential is the difference in the number of charges between 2 points. An electrical circuit in series is a circuit where components are connected or linked together like a chain. In a 3 components series circuit, the electrical current enters through the first component's input, the exit of immediately entered through the second component's input, then exit to immediately entered through the third component's input, and so on. Therefore, the electric current remains the same all around the electric circuit in the series, since there is only one path. However, the total voltage of the supply sources divides across each component in a series circuit. The voltage of the power source equals to addition of all the voltage across the circuit.
Computing the impedance. So what is impedance? Impedance is defined as the ratio of voltage across the circuit of the current flowing through it is a measure in ohms. It is represented by the symbol of L. In short, impedance is the total opposition to electrical current flow in the circuit. So, here's the formula. Formula is Z equals square root R squared plus X squared. So, Z is the impedance in ohms. R is the resistance in ohms. X is the reactance of ohms. So, here the step by computing impedance. First, determine the resistance of the circuit. Second is, determine the type of reactance. Ito ba ay inductance or capacitance? And calculate its values. Third is, use the impedance formula to calculate the impedance in L. Here are some examples of problem to how to compute impedance. So first, we have a problem. Suppose we have a circuit with a resistance of 10 ohms and inductance of 0.1 henries and the frequency of 50 Hz. Breakdown, our resistance with 10 ohms and inductance with 0.1 henries and the frequency are 50 Hz. So, this is the formula of impedance. Since the problem is mentioning the inductance, so we are using the inductance formula. So, this is the formula of inductance. XL equals 2 pi frequency with inductance. How to compute inductance? First, write the 2 and the value of 2 pi is 3.14 times 50 Hz and times 0.1 henries. First times the 2.14 and the result is 6.28. Then times the Hertz and the result is 314 Hertz. And next times the 0.1 henries and the result is 31.4 ohms. And the next is using the formula of impedance. Next, solving by impedance. This is how to compute the impedance. So, 10 natin ay nakuha natin yan dito sa ohms. So, 10 squared plus 31.4 squared. So, naka-squared siya, dapat magiging 100 yan. Yung 10 ay magiging 100 plus 985.96. Yung 31.4 squared natin ay naging 985.96. So, i-plus mo lang lahat yan. Yung result na ay 1085.96. Then, square yan. Square root niyan ay ito. 32.95 ohms. So, therefore, the impedance of the circuit is approximately 32.95 ohms.
Resistance and capacitance in series. In a series circuit with resistance and capacitance, the total impedance is a combination of resistance and reactance. The resistance is the opposition to current flow, while the reactance is the opposition to current flow caused by the capacitor. The total impedance can be calculated using the Pythagorean theorem for AC circuits, where the impedance is the hypotenuse and the resistance and reactance are the legs of triangles. Examples of resistance and capacitance in series. A simple example of resistance and capacitance in series is an resistance circuit whereas resistor and capacitor are connected end-to-end. In this configuration, the current flows through both components sequentially. The resistor limits the current flow, while the capacitor stores energy.
Here is the function and uses of resistance and capacitance in series. In a series circuit of resistance and capacitance or RC circuits, the resistance limits current flow, the capacitor store energy. The creating a circuit with time varying current, this combination allows for various applications like filtering signals, creating timing circuits, and building electronics devices. The resistor and capacitor work together, influencing the current behavior over time. Generalization. The key is to understand how resistance opposes current flow, like flow, while capacitance stores energy in the form of an electric field, affecting the voltage across the capacitors.
Resistance, inductance, and capacitance in series. In a series RLC circuit, resistance, inductance, and capacitance are connected in series across an AC voltage source. The total impedance of the circuit is calculated by combining the resistance and the reactive components, which are inductive reactance and capacitive reactance. Manjay.
So my topic is resistance, inductive, and capacitance, or RLC circuit. So here we have a problem. Resistance equals to R is 20 ohms, inductance L equals to zero point 0.1 hertz, and capacitance is 500 UF. The AC source has angular frequency of 100 rads. So we need to find the inductive reactance XL and capacitive reactance XC. So first we need to solve the inductive reactance. So XL equals to WL. So the formula is XL. So we need to find the frequency. So 100 rads times the inductance, zero point 0.1. So 100 times zero point 0.1 is equals to 10 ohms. So next, we need to find the capacitive reactance, XC. So the formula is XC equals to 1 over WC. So first, we need to convert the capacitance. So C, 500 times 10 to the power of 6 equals to 0.0005 frequency. Now, let's calculate. Xc equals to 1 over 100 times 0.005. So, equals 1 over 0.05 equals to 20 ohms. So, the final answer is for inductive reactance is 10 ohms and for capacitive reactance is 20 ohms. That's all, sir. Thank you.